What it is, guys, it's your girl Mirah Gustaní, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So today we're going to be doing famous TikTok makeup trends or TikTok makeup trends. Let's just jump into the video. First, we're going to be trying to do the blonde eyebrow trend. I usually just use the Maybelline Clear Translucent Brow Gel. So I'm going to use this to slick my brow hairs up. We're gonna let that dry. So now that the gel has dried down, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. concealer. So they say take some concealer and tap off most of it because you don't need that much. You want to only be wiping the excess on, and you're going to be adding it in the opposite direction of the way that your hair grows. So next we're gonna add some eyeshadow to mattify this. I'm gonna be using this shade. It's like yellow blondish, so that's the shade I'm gonna be using. This looks interesting. I hope I'm doing it right. Okay, now I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to clean them up and all that good stuff. These colors are a little bit too similar, so I'm going to use my foundation to carve my brows out because that ain't my system. Brows to come back because I cannot see and I feel like I'm messing it up. So this is the results. These are the brows. They don't really look blonde. They look more like icy white. Next, we're gonna move on to our lids. I was trying to keep the background noise to a minimum, but since it is hot, it never gave, so I had to turn my fan back on. So yeah. So I went ahead and pushed my hair back, and I'm going to be tapping this shade all over my lid because I need to stay neutral. Now we're going to take this shade Sandalwood right here and just put little dots on our eyelid. I went a little heavy on this eye, so I'm going to take some of the spots off. Okay, so now that I fixed this eye, I'm going to take my black eyeliner and I'm going to draw 2 lines on the side of each circle. I probably should have made them a little smaller and spaced them out. I feel like I put them in not so random places, which doesn't make it look any better. But I mean, it's cool. Next TikTok makeup trend is the concealer. They do smaller amounts than I do. If you want to be honest, because I do go a little crazy with the concealer. So now we're gonna set under the eyes. So that's it. trend that I'll be doing is my contour. It's kind of like, it makes you look more masculine in the face, but I've been seeing it a lot, so we're gonna try it out today. And anytime they do this, they usually use matchsticks, and this is the only matchstick I have, the fancy one, so we're just gonna use that today. Hopefully it works well with this Maybelline. I don't know. So you're gonna take it from right here with your face and go down, just like that. And then we're gonna blend up. Side is blended out. Is there anything different about the shape of my face? I don't know. I'm gonna continue contouring the rest of my face. So now that I've done the contour, I'm going to set it. I don't know if this is a part of it, but you know, this is what I normally do, so. Now I'm going to continue concealing the rest of my face, like around my lip and my chin, and I'll be right back. Makeup TikTok trend number 5 is going to be nose contouring. This time I'm going to be using liquid contour. In the video, she took the contour on the sides of her face, down her nose, like that. And then she went up the other side. Then she went over top of her nose. Like that. Then she tapped it underneath her nostrils and left a little space in the middle, like so. Now we just, you know, blend. Usually I use my beauty blender, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then you know on TikTok they use heavy filters, so I don't even know if she blends it all the way out. Next, she took her concealer, middle, that, and she cleaned up the sides of her nose. You blend that out too now. Okay. Then lastly, she set her nose. Like that. Well, this is the most I've ever seen my nose contour, because usually I don't contour my nose that much. It doesn't really get that snatch. 6th TikTok trend that I'm going to be doing is the cat eyeliner that goes into my corners like that. And hopefully I don't mess my whole makeup up. So let's get to it. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner as normal, and then we're going to do the cat eyeliner. we're not going to go all the way around. We're just going to add it to the bottom point. So now that we have our liner on, we're going to now do the inner corner, guys. I am so scared because I don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, real up close and personal, because y'all got to see what I'm seeing. Feel me?
And just like that. So we do that again on this side. So I did the eyeliner. I mean, it's giving cheetah. I look like a cheetah now. I really look like a cheetah. Next, what I'm going to do is set my face, which I should have done a long time ago. Last but not least, we're going to be doing blush. Now on TikTok, they go crazy over blush. They love blush. Secret about me, I don't know how to apply blush, guys. So we're going to use the Milk blush stick today on my face. I don't know how to do this. So we're pretty much kind of done with the makeup. I'm gonna pop some lashes on, put on some highlighter, and do my hair, and I'll show you guys the final look. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I had so much fun with you guys doing these little TikTok makeup trends. I want to state that I am well aware that the trends and makeup hacks that I've done today have been around before TikTok. I did not include anyone from TikTok, so I don't know who originally came up with the trick. So I don't want to just put anyone on my YouTube platform and then it's like, oh, they didn't make it, they didn't invent it. I don't know who did it, but these hacks and tips and trends have been around for a while now. And I just want to, you know, have fun and do something. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in videos like this, I do makeup. I do other makeup looks. I might do a part 2. If you guys like this video, please comment below and say that you want a part 2. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Bye.